kwaban ai khublei yaki parlok ka Meghalaya.
Baki penkre yaki eksam snem.
Knang berkin let baha, but pass baha. Good luck!
3, 2, 1, go!
Khynnah le pasma basting, bam shana khublei. Pankado babam bating, la bam lut kaknai.
Well done.
Wow!
Okay, bentangan kelishwa ya i. Bentangan kelishwa ya i Eleni. Eleni, khynnah arit basmat basting bam shana khublei kamut ayu?
Khynnah is it small children that are hyper and excited like that.
Active, right?
Yeah, that are active. Eat yellow grams.
Very good. And Tiana apa dia? Pankaro babang bating la bam lut kaknai mut ayu?
Sweet potato that is like really sweet and tasty. Lovely. The mouse with tea ate it all.
Very good.
The mouse is what? Tea ate it all.
Okay,
Shaka khublei.
tak.
Kumno para gakusting Eleni satin care, but inya
Tiana satin care.
Pangi day nasalong but Ireland.
Day.
Sipara. Mitas ni kintian pangin ang day min hakato. What? Okay, that particular occasion. Mintas ni kintian jonga day min hakato. Sentence jonga day min hakato kasni ngalit shalom. Lom mot mountain.
To ang da pareng pedekin kamut ayu ka sentence syong fi?
Min hakato is that particular occasion. And that means on that particular occasion we went to the mountains.
Very good. Tiana apa dia? Kakantian syong fi diki eh?
Kakantin jonga day mukma. Ito means quickly and roughly. Ngan ayafi sentence. Nyaba perlok niyat mukma. Ito day pareng. Me and my friends walk quickly and roughly. Khublei shibon. Ban snap yangi.